All right, this is going to be a quick video going over the answers from your quiz from last week. The quiz was over 1.1 to 1.3. Since it was your first quiz, we're going to allow you the option to retake if you would like. In order to do that, you must do a couple things. You must watch this video, which you're doing. Then you're going to go back to Schoology and look over the problems that you missed. And you're going to do a reflection on Flipgrid explaining the mistakes that you made on the quiz. Okay, we'll give you the link for the Flipgrid. Once you do all those things, then you will be able to retake it. So let's get started. All right, so the first number 1 says, create a scale copy of ABCD using the scale factor of 4. So we know that a scale factor of 4 means I'm multiplying everything by 4, all the lengths by 4. So I'm just going to help myself out, and I'm going to write some of the links down here. So this is a 1, this is 1, 2. This is going diagonal 1. I'm not going to do anything with this because that's not really a diagonal, so I'm going to use these other ones to help me. All right, so here we go. So instead of going down 1, the scale factor would be to go down 4 because I'm going to multiply by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then diagonal, I'd go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up here, 4 times 2 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I can connect them. And I'm going to grab my line and I'm going to connect them. Okay? All right, so that is that one. All right, number 2 is asking you if any of the other figures are scaled copies of A, and explain how you know. So if you look at this, all right, so if you want to know if it's a scaled copy, you're going to have to go through all the dimensions. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 by 1, 2, 3. And there's a 1 here and a 1 here. So those are all my dimensions. So if it's scaled, that means all the numbers have been multiplied by the same number. So let's look at this. Well, first of all, hopefully you can see right away, this hasn't changed. This has not changed. So this is only a scaled copy if they are the same, but I can already tell that this is more than 5. So since this is 1, but this has not changed, that one will not be a scaled copy. All right, let's look at the next one. Going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, this one's looking promising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's looking good. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Oh, all of these numbers have been multiplied by 2. So this one, yes, this one is a scale factor. The scale factor would equal 2. So that one is a scaled factor. All right, let's check the next one. All right, well, I'm going to go to this easy part right here. If you look at this, this is a 2. So in order for it to be a scaled factor, that means I'm multiplying all of the numbers by 2. Well, this one works. Let's check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, that's not this multiplied by 2. So that one will not work. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one. All right, let's see. Which triangle Z is a scaled copy of M? So select all of the sets of values that could be side lengths of triangle Z. Triangle Z. All right, so there's a lot of them, so I'm going to have to try them out here. So I'm going to kind of work through it, maybe make a little bit of a table here. Let's see, so I can be organized. All right, so if I have 4, I'm going to write them up here. So if I have 4, 7, and 10, those are my numbers. So if I got 8, so if that's my number, that means I multiplied it by 2 to get to that. So if I multiply this by 2, that gives me 14. There's the 14. But if I multiply this by 2, that does not give me 11. So that's a no-go. That one won't work. All right, let's try the next one. So if I went from 4, I know 10 wasn't work, so let's go from here. If I multiplied 4 times what would give me 10, that'd be 2.5. So if I multiplied by 2.5, let me erase that, sorry. Let me explain that again. So if I did 10 here, all right, so if I got 10, what am I multiplying by? That would be 2.5. So if I multiply by 2.5, it would give me 10. If I multiplied 7 by 2.5, oh, that'd be 17.5. And then if I multiply it by 10, yes, that gives me 25. So yes, that's a good one. Ding, 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 that one works. All right, let's try the next one. If I want to get 6. So if I want to get 6, what am I multiplying by? Let's see. 4 times 1.5 gives me 6. Will that work? Let's see. Let's try the next one. So if I did 7 times 1.5, does that give me 9? No, it gives me 15. So that won't work. Okay. Look at the next one. Ooh, if I get 6 again, oh, there's another 1.5. 0.5. Okay, so 4 times 1.5 gives me 6. And then if I multiply 7 times 1.5, 7 times 1.5, that gives me 7 times 1.5. That gives me 10.5. Oops, looking good. And then 15 times 10, yep, that would give me, sorry, 1.5 times 10. Yep, that gives me 15. That's another good one. All right, last one. If I want to get to 8, 4 times what would give me 8? So that would be a scale factor of 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 7 is 14, and 2 times 10 is 20. So that one works. Okay, so only 2 of them did not work. Okay. All right, next one. All right. All right, so let's look at that to scale factor. So I'm going to write down all my numbers up here on the first one. That helps me out. So this is 1, 2, this is 1, this is 1. All right, let's look at this one. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1. Ooh, that looks like about 1.5. That looks like 1.5. Okay, and that looks like I can't really work with that one right now. All right, so let's see. So if I went from 2 to 3, 2 to 3, am I multiplying? First of all, I'm getting bigger, so you know it's got to be a whole number. So you already know that one would not work. That one would not work because it's smaller than 1, okay? So 2 times what would give me 3? Well, I can look here. Does 1 times 1.5? Yep. So 1.5 is 1.5. There you go. Okay, go to the next one. All right, so this one we're looking at, name the angle that corresponds to ABC. So if I look at this, angle ABC, so I'm looking at this angle here, that would have to be the same one here, PQR. PQR, so that would be that one. Okay, next one. Name the segment that goes with AD. So here's my segment, A to D. That would be the same as P to S, P to S. Okay, and that was it. All right, guys, so what you need to do now is go into Schoology and look at your quiz and see if you missed any. And then you are going to look for your mistakes and do a flip grid. All right, so if you have questions, let us know.